Scotty.
Hi, boys and girls.
I don't know about that. What's going on?
So, we're putting everything back together. The nightmare bracketry for the AC, the power steering, the idler pulley.
Oh,
There
yeah,
are
all that.
3 separate brackets that hold each other up. So you have to line each one of them up first before you can tighten up any bolts.
Cute.
So I had Nick holding the air conditioning compressor, me holding the power steering pump bracket, floating to line it up. But it's getting there. So we're getting everything back together, cleaning everything up. You've been doing a little bit of the wiring, patching, doing that to get that all taken care
Got
of.
the plug
We're ready to
wires
go.
all finished up.
Yep.
I'm gonna work on those. See those little guys over there? I'm gonna work on those little guys in a little bit.
Oh, that sounds nice. Whatever he's working on.
I think it's that Packard.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely have to go check it out in a second.
Yeah.
But we're getting there. I know it seems like it's taking forever, but this is a right as rain type of deal. So.
Yep.
Thermostat's done and in because they ran it without the thermostat for dyno.
On the dyno, yep.
So we're just trying to get that, all the nickel and dime bolts and bracketry done. So hopefully, if all goes in a perfect world, knock on wood, I'll have the radiator in, the coolant system plugged up, ready to be filled, but not filled yet. Get all the brackets on, tightened, get all the belts on and tightened, which as you can tell, I've got everything laid out behind me.
We're all laid out. Laid out.
Yeah. This heat's laying me out today, I'll tell you. But yeah, we're getting there. I'd say hopefully by the end of the day, I can button up at least the front end. If all goes well.
Fingers crossed that we fire it up maybe tomorrow. And I can start driving it a little bit Thursday at some point. That would be lovely. I want to get 100 miles on it before it goes back to Steven.
Yeah.
And then once it has 100 miles, it's...
able to take it with him and start driving it and enjoy his car.
Yes.
Because it really is. Show everybody the car, dude.
Oh, everybody knows.
They got to see this.
Yeah.
Thing. It's absolutely stunning.
Stunner. We know the car.
It is.
Everybody knows the car because this will be like video 7 million in the series at this point.
So yeah,
Here we are going back together yet again.
But we'll get there.
Yes, sir.
I'm hoping by today or tomorrow I should have everything done, but I'm hoping today to get it all buttoned up.
Yeah, and maybe fire it tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Freak Show.